Fuck cancer. Now that I've earned YouTube's chance of monetizing this video, and I've also made my views on cancer quite clear to you, I want to talk about some stuff that people don't seem to get, and it's starting to drive me nuts. Okay, back in World War I, and I'm going to use this World War I example, the British had this ship, HMS Zubian. It drove the German high command nuts. They did not know where the hell this ship came from. Hey, they knew where every British shipyard was. They knew every ship start. The ship couldn't exist. After the war, they found out that what had happened was the British had been, how should I put it, creatively thrifty. Creatively thrifty. There's a good term for it. HMS Zulu had her stern blown off. HMS Nubian had her bow blown off. The Brits welded the two ships together, literally. That was HMS Zubian, which had the German high command puzzled until after the war was over and they found out how it had come to be. Because they knew the British couldn't have built this ship. It was impossible. Yesterday on the live stream, I told some guys that, hey, we know where every Russian tank plant is. That's quite true. We know where they all are. We can see them from orbit. And you know what? They know where every other tank factory is too. Anybody with good satellite access, any government with good satellite access, and quite a few private organizations with good satellite access can see every tank plant, every shipyard, all of this. And you can't hide it because, well, okay, in the case of a shipyard, it's too damn big, even if you do build the ship inside. But in the case of a tank plant, the sheer amount of material going in, it's just impossible to hide the amount of, the number of trains carrying steel and all sorts of materials into the plant. You cannot hide that. And that's why I say you cannot hide this sort of stuff anymore. It's just impossible. We live in a new world. A world where, well, it's far more transparent. We know where the tank plants are. We know where the armored fighting vehicle plants are. And I say we, I mean every government in the world that has access. Which generally means most of us, how should I put it, independents like myself also know because, well, these guys publish it. So there are no hidden Russian tank plants that are going to suddenly start producing hordes and hordes and hordes of tanks. There just aren't. They don't exist. If the Russians were to build a tank plant, we would know it. And one of the reasons we know it is that they'd have to start ordering machine tools for the plant. In some cases, the tools take 4 to 5 years to deliver, so yeah. You can see the sort of situation that they're in. Anyways, that's it for now, folks. I have a couple of other ones that I've been thinking about for a long time and haven't gotten around to recording. So you could end up seeing a whole pile of stuff today. I've been thinking really hard about how to present some of this because it's really, really difficult to externalize, to explain things in a way that's going to make proper sense to someone who doesn't have the same background. And a big part of the problem is trying to figure out what background to aim the explanation for. Anyway, hope you folks have a good day. I'm going to probably end up taking a dog for a walk very soon, going by the noises I'm hearing. So I will get my exercise. Hope you get yours too. Bye-bye.